YouTube, we just got this Gourmia Air Fryer from Costco for $39.95. Let's open it up and find out what she's all about. Alright, let's open her up. Alright. Boom, there she is. Alright, we're gonna set it up and we'll be right back. Alright, so we washed it up. We're gonna get set up here. First thing, it does have a little cord holder. That's kind of cool. We'll get her plugged in. It's 7 quarts. There we go. This is the insert that goes inside. Oh, and there's also a little roaster you can set up in there. The little rubber feet are kind of what holds it into the basket. They seem nice and firm. So they seem to work pretty good. 7 quarts. Alright, we've got air fry, fries, wings, bacon, reheat. You can set and raise the temperature. We also have bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and keep warm. You can turn on a reminder, start, stop, cancel, preheat, and turns it off. Turns it back on. So we're at 400 for 20 minutes on an air fry. Well, it just preheated. The beeper did go off, but we're going to toss them in here. Olive oil spray in there. Okay, it's about a half a bag. So we'll see it in 15 minutes. We've cooked the 15 minutes allotted on the bag. Boy, they are a nice golden brown. Are they crispy? Yes. And they're hot. Let's put this in the bowl. The other one, you have to be careful. Yeah, see this one stays in pretty good. Ooh, we don't want the grease in there. Boom. All right. Cooked it nice and clean, good. Good. All right, it's been 24 minutes. We're gonna check these out. Man, I think they look awesome. We're gonna toss them in the bowl here and throw some sauce on them. All right, we got them out. 40 seconds over. I'm gonna turn this off. I dumped the grease out into the Mountain Dew can. Chicken wings look awesome. A little sauce on. All right. There they are. Hit them with a little parm and some Danos after I tossed them in that barbecue sauce. Should be good. Let's go. We're gonna hit our tots with a little Danos and some ketchup, and we'll let you know how they are. Let's crack one open right now. Yeah, steaming hot. Crispy. All right, YouTube, that was it. We're enjoying these Dano dusted tots with a little ketchup and some homemade barbecue. Until next time, I'm Sleeve 1080. The Gourmia Air Fryer, $39.95 down there, or $39.99 I think it was at Costco. So go check it out. Keep your eye on the comments below if I have any updates about it. As we use it over the next few months, I will drop those down below. Till next time, I'm Sleeve 1080, and we'll see you in the next one. Well, for you guys at home that can't smell it here, my cameraman just shit himself.